message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle.
What's up guys, it's Jayypinkk and I'm back with another video this week, and I want to thank all of you guys who are returning to watch my videos. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell before you leave. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Today in this video I finally got my hands on some more Juvia'S palettes. I'm really not sure what I was waiting on to like purchase from them again, because as you guys know I have one palette from them. Actually, I didn't buy that palette, somebody gave me that palette. So I have never made a purchase from them until right now. The palette that I really wanted was the Zulu palette, and they actually had a bundle deal on this palette and the Saharan 2 palette because they're both on sale for $17. So they have a bundle deal, and I thought, wow, that's so cool. Originally I thought I was getting the festival palette for some reason, I'm not sure, but I still like this palette. I'm just gonna go back and order the festival palette. So if you guys would like to see the look that I created featuring these two, as well as my thoughts on these palettes, make sure you go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump into it. So I'm back, and this is the finished look. I use colors from both palettes as you saw, just so I can get a feel for them, make sure they're at least created equal. And again, I use the Zulu palette and the Saharan 2 palette. I'll start with the Zulu palette. Some of the colors kind of gave me a little trouble. This pink right here really didn't play well on the matte concealer, and most colors do, I feel. I'm gonna try everything again with different products and see what really works, because I know these shadows are pigmented. I see them every day, and honestly, I'm going to be livid if all of the YouTubers have been lying this whole time and they have better palettes than the rest of us. Like, I would be pissed. But I'm gonna give it another try with some different eyeshadow bases and things like that. This yellow isn't as vibrant as I thought it is, but I could probably do this with a white base and it'll be fine. This peach or like this pink color here, I thought this color would be a little like more vibrant and just a little richer, kind of like it is in the pan, but it's actually pretty bright. Overall, I do like the palette. I feel like the shimmers outperform their matte shades right now, but again, like I said, I'm gonna try them again with different bases to see what's really tea. Same thing with the Saharan palette. The shimmers in this palette are absolutely stunning. This is gorgeous. So this shade, I remember what this shade reminds me of, a NARS eyeshadow. This one reminds me of NARS Albatross, the highlighter, and it's so pretty. That's what I have as my highlight on my cheek and in my brow bone, and it's just so gorgeous. Like, Albatross is expensive too. That was my favorite highlighter for a very long time, but it's expensive. This is really nice though. This is actually what I have as my highlighter. I also mixed in a little bit of this as my highlighter because I thought it would give me like a peachy, bronzy look. And it was more gold, and that's probably because the Albatross is already gold. It pulled so much gold. I used these two shades on my lower lash line, and like I said, they're matte shadows. Just really aren't like what's tea right now. I don't know. I'm gonna try again with different bases because I'm slightly underwhelmed at this point. I love the shimmer shadows. Like, they're absolutely fabulous. I think my eyeshadow looks good. I just feel like I had to work too hard to get here, and there's just so many claims about how bomb these palettes are, and I feel like only the shimmers are. So those are my first thoughts on the Saharan 2 palette as well as the Zulu palette. I'm going to be doing a couple looks with these. I'm going to do natural looks with these. If there's a look that you would like to see in particular with these, let me know in the comment section down below, and you can always email me ideas or things that you want to see. My email and all my handles is down below as well. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys pulled something from this video. Leave comments, questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.